Hi there, I'm Hannah.
And I'm Deja.
We're CSDs at Cal Poly, and we want to show you what it's like to live and work with students on our campus.
Cal Poly is located in San Luis Obispo. That's halfway between LA and San Francisco.
We've got it all. Perfect weather, a historic downtown, a renowned farmer's market, a small town feel, and happy people.
Grab a board and hit the beach, just a few miles away from campus. Explore dozens of hiking and mountain biking trails all around Cal Poly.
Or just relax and take in the views from your living room on campus. A furnished apartment and meal plan are included with your salary, and partners, children, and a pet are welcome.
CSDs are the glue that holds campus life together here at Cal Poly. We live in and manage student communities, and it's our job to make sure students are safe, engaged, and getting the most of their campus living experience.
But we don't do it alone. CSDs lead their own team of resident advisors, student assistants, graduate assistants to ensure that the community is running smoothly. We work closely with university housing staff and campus partners, from faculty to student government. We're more than just colleagues. We're a team.
Cal Poly is a competitive school. The culture is fast-paced and dynamic. Our school's motto is learn by doing, and that applies to housing too. We follow an integrated learning framework that brings the classroom into our living communities. Through programming, partnerships, and events, CSDs create a diverse and engaging experience where residents can grow academically, personally, and professionally. Come join our residential student experience team.
This isn't just a place where students live, it's a place where students learn. And we want you to be a part of it.